Hey there, friends and sculptors. I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a closer look to what's inside the Witchy Women Workshop. So this I started working on last year, and I did not get finished with Maleficent, and so she's going to be a priority this year to get finished. There are instructions in the Witchy Women Workshop for how to make this face and this hat. She turned out pretty amazing. Kind of tricky to get symmetrical, but she definitely has those Angelina Jolie lips, doesn't she? So she's got her boots in progress. They're just need another day on them, and her body's actually already made. She just needs her hands done, and I think her hands are partially done as well. So I just need to get busy and get that finished up. And then this is the witch that was the new witch last year, and her boots turned out amazing. I'm really happy with how they turned out. Especially you can just see the type of skill and just also the style. These are a more relaxed style of boot that we did the first year. And then these still need to have their laces and such, but they're kind of more of a fancy with a ruffle type of style. But you'll learn how to make both types of boots. So you can make some that are just more curvy and more whimsical looking, or some really fancy ones. And however we end up finishing Maleficent's boots, they're just in the purple color right now because that's the color of clay I had, of my old clay. When I mixed it all together, it just turned purple, but it's going to be painted anyway. So we also have instructions on making a broom that I'm going to be adding special this year too, because this is a really fun thing to create for your witches, and it's pretty easy to do and very fun. We just used a lot of jute, and I think it was some glue just to help it stay into more of a form. And I wanted to give you a closer look at her funny face. I got really wild with all her wrinkles and everything, and right now she's got ponytails. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep that or not. And then we did fingernails and hands that have cool looking veins and all this. They turned out pretty fun, so that'll give you some good instructions there. And then on our original witch doll, there's the first face. She's also the same one that's featured in the witch bust sculpt box. And also how to make a cool witch hat like this. I really like her hat. They're fun to do, and I need to get a few more made. But on her hands and skin, I colored her green too, so she's got more of the traditional witch's green skin and yellowed fingernails. So that gives you another option. And then we have in the instructions as well our whimsical witch face. And her hand just got, her hair just got caught in the witch's hand. So it went a little bit wild. But she's got much larger features, much larger eyes, and then some wild hair, some cute ears. This is more after the style that Jill Willock does things, and she is a great artist and was very kind to allow me to show how these spoon dolls are made. So that's just in there as a bonus for you too. But anyway, that's what you'll find inside the Witchy Women, and I will post pictures as we get more of the Maleficent doll finished as well. So here's one of my favorite snacks. It's just some French baguette bread that has been sliced, and I just get my favorite kind. And then I chop up some soft mozzarella that usually comes in a ball, and then some Roma tomatoes and some basil. Then I'm just going to throw it all on top. With the bread, I put a little bit of olive oil on it and then broil it in the oven for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I just add some tomatoes. And I'll fix something like this and have it be the whole meal. Then I'm going to add a little bit of the basil.
Oh yeah. So should I be quiet?
That would be good. I just try to do it so at least each piece has some little bit of extra flavor on it. The last step is to put on some of this balsamic vinegar glaze. And the colors are just beautiful. That is a tasty snack or a meal.